High-ticket affiliate marketing, the easiest way to high-ticket commission. Affiliate marketing is a huge business and a great way to make money online. Numerous affiliate programs are available, but not all provide the same earning potential. High-ticket affiliate marketing programs are the finest and allow you to earn the most significant profit per sale. In this video, I will explain how high-ticket affiliate marketing programs function and provide 12 of the highest-paying affiliate programs in various niches. Let's go. What is high-ticket affiliate marketing? High-ticket affiliate marketing is when you promote affiliate products that pay a lot of money. It's a way for some affiliate marketers to make more money off of fewer sales. High-ticket items can earn you a commission of at least $500 per sale and as much as 5 figures, depending on the products you sell. Low-priced items are the foundation of traditional affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketers use ways to get more people to visit their websites to get more clicks and sales. The fewer people who visit your site, the less money you'll make. Affiliate marketing for high-ticket items gives you more money for fewer sales, so that you can focus less on traffic and more on selling. Some examples of high-priced items are electronic items, jewelry, marketing programs, software, heavy metals. High-priced items can be found through affiliate networks like 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 or by working directly with a company. These programs are for affiliates with more influence in their fields than those just starting with affiliate marketing. Because they trust them, through Amazon's affiliate marketing program, people with more credibility can be persuaded to buy more expensive products and services, like the $5,000 watch instead of the $30 item. How much do high-ticket affiliate marketers make? Depending on the program you're promoting, your earnings will be different. Some programs may offer a flat fee per referral, such as $2,000. Others may provide a high percentage of sales for products and services that cost a lot. Affiliates who sell high-ticket items often get paid $1,000 for a single sale. ZipRecruiter's job site found that high-ticket affiliate marketers make an average of $78,282 per year. That's the same as $6,524 a month. The more work you put into an affiliate marketing program, the more money you can make. Some people do affiliate marketing, like Pat Flynn, who has made more than $3 million from affiliate sales. Ryan Robinson is another example of a highly paid affiliate marketer. His blog makes more than $30,000 monthly by promoting different affiliate programs. You might be a good fit for an affiliate marketing business if full-time job, kids, or other responsibilities. You wish to establish a side business but do not want to devote much time to it daily. Cringe at being super sales. I also hate making sales. Not sure how to start or have never built a business before. The benefits of high-ticket affiliate marketing. One of the biggest problems is that it's probably hard to get into such a high-paying market, and making sales in the beginning can be challenging. However, once you've found your spot, this problem becomes a benefit. Many affiliate marketers are interested in high-ticket markets, but many give up when they find out how hard they are to break into. If you get a place in a high-ticket market, you can probably keep it for a long time. In a niche that is easier to get into, new competitors may be trying to steal your traffic. But it also means you need the proper knowledge and skills to sell high-priced items through affiliate marketing. To get people to buy something that costs hundreds or even thousands of dollars, you need to know more about the product or service and the needs of your audience. The easiest way to achieve high-ticket commission. Number 1. Bowflex. Bowflex affiliate network should be your main priority if you enter the home fitness market. They have almost everything someone would need to make a personalized home gym, including a full range of fitness, cardio, and strength equipment. They also offer a financing plan to help sell equipment. The first commission rate is 3%. Number 2. FanFuel. FanFuel is a big company that sells health, beauty, and wellness products from Wolfson Brands and other well-known brands. Some of their best-selling affiliate products are ways to lose weight, probiotics, a wide range of nootropics, beauty products, and sleep aids. This high-ticket affiliate program gives you some of the best rates in the business for promoting these products. The commission rate goes as high as 50%, and this is one of the only networks on this list that offers both lifetime and Tier 2 commissions. Number 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is an online meeting place for freelance workers and people who need services. Instead of hiring people after they fill out an application, the benefits are listed and sold as products, which is different from many other freelance sites. You get paid for every first-time buyer you bring to the platform. The CPA model that Fiverr uses pays a one-time fee for each sale. Depending on the service bought, you can get anywhere from $15 to $150. Sales of Fiverr Pro bring in $150. Graphic design, web development, search engine optimization, SEO, and animation are examples of freelance services that might earn $50 or $30 for each reference. Number 4. Shopify. Shopify is well known in online shopping if you know anything about it. Its software is used by more than 1 million online stores in over 175 countries, such as Gymshark, Pepsi, and Staples. Shopify gives each person who refers a new customer a bounty commission worth 200% of the monthly plan price. Prices range from $29 to $299 per month, which adds to a total of $598. Shopify's enterprise-grade tools can help you make even more money. Number 5. 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐿. 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐿 has been around since 2010 and is a well-known e-commerce hosting company. It has premium WordPress hosting services and themes for bloggers, businesses, and other companies that need reliable, lightning-fast hosting plans. Depending on your selling method, you can make anywhere from $200 to $7,500. When affiliates sell hosting plans and WordPress themes, they get a cut of the money. You can also tell other affiliate marketers about this program and get $50 every time they make a sale through their unique link. You can also get bonuses for sending 5 people to 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐿, $200 per sale of 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐿, and 35% of sales of StudioPress themes. Number 6. 𝐃𝐨𝐬𝐿. If your area of expertise is consumer finance or debt consolidation/settlement, you might want to offer 𝐃𝐨𝐬𝐿 as one of your affiliate programs. Plus, to bankruptcy services and loan programs, they have programs to help people get out of debt, improve their credit, settle debts, and negotiate. Affiliates can make up to $600 per sign-up, and the cookie stays valid forever. Number 7. 𝐶𝐈. 𝐶𝐈 is a considerable affiliate marketplace focusing on health and beauty products. They have served that market for more than 10 years and have become one of the most extensive health-related programs. Members of this affiliate program can choose to promote hundreds of thousands of different products because of how big it is. Not all affiliate offers have high ticket prices, but people who use these programs often make as much as $350 per sale. Number 8. ConvertKit. ConvertKit is a marketing platform that includes landing pages, autoresponders for emails, and sign-up forms, among other things. There are 2 paid plans for ConvertKit, Creator and Creator Pro. The cost of each method depends on how many subscribers a user has. ConvertKit gives you a 30% monthly commission for every person who signs up through your affiliate link. For instance, if you signed up for a Creator Pro account with 10,000 subscribers, you would make $50.10 per month from this sale. Number 9. HubSpot. HubSpot is one of the big fish in the digital marketing pond. So much so that the company's founders wrote a book on inbound marketing, literally. More than 113,000 clients in over 120 countries use its solutions to create leads, track them via email lists, guide them through the user journey, and persuade them to purchase. Even better, cross-selling has a lot of good points. If a customer you send buys 2 things, you get paid a commission on both. So purchasing both Marketing Starter and Sales Professional will cost them $250 plus $500. Number 10. Liquid Web. Have you ever wished you could earn a commission of $7,000? You can if you join Liquid Web's affiliate program. Liquid Web is a premium web hosting service renowned for its superior customer support. Liquid Web has one of the highest commission rates of any hosting provider, 150% of sales, with a minimum of $150. As an affiliate, you'll market the product to small and large businesses and could make up to $7,000 per sale. You can join the program through an affiliate marketing network such as CG Affiliate or Impact Radius. 150% commission, starting at $150 and going as high as $7,000. Number 11. Spectra. Spectra is a big player in the CBD market, growing quickly. They have an online store where they sell CBD in many different forms. Their products are known for being very strong. A third-party lab has tested all of their products, which can reassure customers who pay a lot. The affiliate program covers all of the products they sell, including patches, vapes, and tinctures that are very strong. They say that the average order value AOV of referred people is $80, and that the average commission paid for 100 conversions is $2,400. Number 12. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a tool for building funnels, and it's one of my favorite high-ticket items to sell because it's so helpful and gives me a significant 40% commission. Even better, when you sign up as an affiliate, they give you a ton of free training. They give you unrestricted movement from 30 affiliate marketers who make 6 figures a year. With an impressive 40% commission, their affiliate program lets you promote a wide range of low-ticket and high-ticket products worth up to $1,997. So a single sale can bring in up to $798. Unique to ClickFunnels is the ability to join a program that will purchase your dream car if you do well as an affiliate. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.